Hello everyone, we're doing maths and it is Monday and we're working on 3D shapes. To be successful, we are learning to sort and describe and name familiar three-dimensional objects in the environment. We can match a 3D shape to its name. We can sort three-dimensional objects and explain the attributes used to sort them. We can recognize how a group of objects has been sorted, and we can recognize and use informal names for three-dimensional objects. The vocabulary that we'll be using this week include the words object, shape, size, curved, flat, pointy, round, roll, slide, stack, cone, cube, cylinder, sphere, prism, surface, flat surface, curved surface, and face. Can you name these shapes? Let's have a look. So these are real shapes that we can find in our environment. Do you know the name of the shapes? Or can you say an informal name? So you might use a different name to describe that shape. You might say witch's hat. You might say pointy roof. Have a think what you might use, or perhaps you know the actual name. Let's have a look and see what the name is. A cone. I wonder if you already knew that. Okay, can you name this shape? Perhaps you've seen this shape somewhere. Perhaps you can have a look around and see if you've seen this shape somewhere in your home or outside of your home. Have a think. Do you know the name of the shape? Does it remind you of any two-dimensional shapes? Perhaps that would help you name this shape. Let's take a look. A rectangular prism. That's right, because we can see a rectangle over here straight away. Can you name this shape? Let's have a look. I'm sure that you all know we use them all the time in the classroom, and I'm sure you've been using them at home. That's right, we're using dice all the time. Over here we've got sugar. We have a special name for that sugar. Do you know what we call that sugar? That's right, sugar cubes. I wonder if that gives you a hint of the name of this shape. It's a cube. Can you name this shape? Have you seen this shape somewhere? Can you find it somewhere in your home? It's got a circle at the bottom, doesn't it? A round shape. I wonder if we can name the shape. A cylinder. Can you name this shape? Oh yes, they're marbles, aren't they? What else can we call those? We could call them balls, yes. It's the same shape as a ball. What's a name for that shape? Wonder if you know. A sphere. Can you find the cube? Have a look at the shapes. Which one do you think is the cube? Remember we saw the cube earlier? That's right, it was the dice shape. Let's see if we can find it now. Here we go. Let's check if we're correct. Yay! Okay, can you find the rectangular prism? Oh, do you remember which object? That's right, it had a rectangle on it. I wonder if you can find that for me now. Let's have a look. Were you correct? Let's check. Yay. Can you find the sphere? Oh, what was in the picture of a sphere? That's right, it was the marbles. Can you see any spheres in your home? All right, we know what a sphere looks like. It looks like a marble. There we go. Yay. Can you find the cylinder? Oh, cylinder. We saw something very long that had a circle when we were looking for the cylinder. I think it was the pipes. I wonder if you can see that. Correct. Cylinder. Okay, and can you find the cone? Do you remember? This was our first one. What was it that looked like a cone? Ah, that's right, the witch's hats. All right, let's see if we can find the witch's hat here. There's a cone. Excellent work, everyone. All right, now it's your turn. Number 1, you're going to complete the 3D shape sort below by drawing or printing and cutting. So you are going to sort the objects or draw the objects onto the template. We've got a cone, a cylinder, a sphere, and a cube. Okay, so you're going to sort each of the real objects and place them under the heading that they belong with. Okay, or to draw them under is fine as well. Okay, and then you're going to watch the video, which was working on sorting shapes. Okay, so watch that video. You might want to do that beforehand if you need a little bit more practice, or you might just watch Mrs. Green's video again to let you really understand the names and the pictures where they belong. Okay, and then there's a game that you can go and play, so that'd be really good for you to practice your skills today. Okay, bye.